MSI MPG X570 Gaming Edge Wi-Fi. Supports AMD Ryzen 5000 series, 2nd and 3rd Gen AMD Ryzen 4000G series, Ryzen with Radeon Vega graphics and 2nd Gen AMD Ryzen with Radeon graphics desktop processors for AM4 sockets. Supports DDR4 memory, up to 4400 plus, OC, MHz. Lightning fast game experience. PCIe 4.0, Lightning Gen 4x4 M2 with M2 Shield Frozer, Store MI, AMD Turbo USB 3.2 Gen 2 Frozer heatsink design. Designed with the patented fan and double ball bearings to provide the best performance for enthusiast gamers and prosumers. Set Core Power Free, Extended heatsink design, Core Boost, Digital PWM-IC, 8+4-pin CPU power connector, Game Boost, DDR4 Boost Mystic Light, 16.8 million colors, 29 effects controlled in one click. Mystic Light extension supports both RGB and rainbow LED strip. Audio Boost 4 with NAHIMIC3. Reward your ears with studio-grade sound quality for the most immersive gaming experience. Dragon Center, a brand new software which integrates all MSI tools like Game Mode, Voice Boost, Live Update, Ambient Link with user-friendly user interface. Ryzen processor support. MSI X570 motherboards support latest generation Ryzen processors from AMD with updated features and capabilities. Ascend to new heights with a platform built for both creators and gamers. M.2 Shield FROZR sustain maximum high-speed M2 SSD data transfer with M2 Shield FROZR. Prevent SSD throttling with thermal design that includes a heatsink that extends across the motherboard. FROZR heatsink design. Higher performance generates more heat. Thermal solution is very important to X570 chipset, which featured latest Gen 4 bandwidth. MSI motherboards featured the patented fan design to provide best performance for enthusiast gamers and prosumers. The Intel Wi-Fi card that supports Wi-Fi 6, IEEE 802.11ax. Even though it is only a dual-band device, it works extremely well across the house and through a few walls. Then there is a mixture of USB 2.0, USB 3.2 General 1, and USB 3.2 General 2 ports. The two back ones next to the PS2 port are USB 2.0, while the Type A that have an internal red stripe are USB 3.1 General 1. The 10 gigabits per second USB 3.2 General 2 ports are located in the middle and have a red square around them. They come in USB Type-C and Type A form. The Gaming Edge keeps to the basics and implements a Realtek 8111H gigabit LAN controller for its 1 GBE Ethernet and also supports 7.1 output from the audio chip. Lightning Gen 4 PCIe. MSI Lightning Gen 4 PCIe is the latest and the fastest PCIe data transfer solution with 64 GB per second of unidirectional transfer bandwidth that has doubled compared to its previous generation.